Yeah, yeah.
I see it, Judge. Yeah. That email you were talking about.
Okay. Oh yeah, I should be able to pull the judgment anyways. I don't want to. Okay, so he got 10 months state jail. He got 97 days credit. That was on. It's 9/24, right?
Yes.
So now we're what, 10/29, so that's how are you? You were Jamal Brown?
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Jamal Brown, you are wanted out of
Jefferson Parish, Louisiana.
for
That's 13,000.
another theft case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now 6. Doesn't get better.
I already signed.
I got it. So what I see, you signed for 10 months state jail. Okay. I see that you signed with 97 days credit. I see that you've been waiting for at least 35 days in jail. That probably around, it gives you around 130 to 132 days credit from what I see. Even if I give you a bond right now, a PR bond, you're not going anywhere because you have a sentence to serve. So even if I give you a bond, you're just going to sit there until they take you to state jail. So there's nothing, what I was telling Abel here is that you're kind of stuck between a rock and a hard place because you got time that you got to serve. So there's nothing that I can really do to force them to take you to state jail. I don't know why. I mean, is it booked at the gills or what?
Sometimes they'll have them sit in the county jail until their time is almost up and then start the process to release them.
I will say that county time is a lot easier than state jail time.
Yeah,
So that's kind of a blessing in disguise, you know?
I don't want to do county time. I'd rather go to state jail. If you
But
could
it's
give
up
me
to them when TDC decides to pull.
I know you give me a PR bond, that'd be fine. And I'll go from there. I don't want to do county time.
That's not going to happen, man.
Okay, so why did you tell me
You
that?
got 10 months.
He said even if he gave you.
I know, but I'm not trying to leave. I'm trying to leave county so I can go to state jail because I have other things I want to take care of. Want to get my 20%. I don't want to stay in county time. That's what I'm trying to tell you. So if you could give me a PR bond so I can wind up doing my state jail time and I go and take care of my Louisiana time.
Me giving you a PR bond doesn't necessarily mean that they're going to get you to state jail any faster.
Okay, but if you could, that's what I'd like to be granted.
Okay. Is there any way to expedite him to get to state jail? What did they say?
Well, I haven't talked today extensively about this yet. We just knew that we had to approach with counsel today. As far as I know, whenever I've tried to reach out to state jail or like TC about when they're going to pick up, they usually don't give me like a specific day that they're going to do it. I could reach out, but I can't guarantee that they're actually going to say they'll pick up anytime.
And it's kind of early still. You want to reach out today to see what he has to say about this?
Yeah.
And then if he can, try to put in a call to state jail to see what's going on. You know, the 20%, doesn't that come from a judge anyways?
No, it comes from the drug program. The Harris County gives it 20%. I was down there last year. It gives it 20% when I go down there, but I have to go down there in order to receive my 20%. I don't want to necessarily do 10 months in county because I didn't sign for 10 months in county. I signed for 10 months state jail. And I would like to go down to state jail so I can be able to, go to the law library, write Louisiana, start taking care of business down there because they don't have the proper materials down here in Harris County.
Can you also reach out today and ask him, because he's doing 10 months state jail, is Louisiana still interested in him? Do they still want him?
Okay, yeah.
A lot of times when someone gets sentenced to prison or state jail time, the demanding jurisdiction, meaning here, Louisiana, will release the hold. But because here it's only state jail time, not that much granted, and you're like you're saying, you're getting, 20%, they may want to keep the hold so that when you do get your time done in state jail, at that point, they'll ship you off to Louisiana to deal with that.
That's what I like to have.
Yeah. So give me a little bit of time. I'm going to reach out to another prosecutor to see what we can do about trying to get you more information. I can't guarantee anything, but we'll try,
Yeah, please.
Well, worst they can say is take a hike, but we'll try for you.
Yeah, so I have a question. So they was gonna keep me here to hold for 10 months.
Sorry?
They was gonna try to keep me here for 10 months and keep resetting.
No. We'll get you to state jail, but the problem is that they're probably not going to release the Louisiana hold.
That's fine. That's fine. I'd like to go to stage jail. I wouldn't want to do no time account.
Let's try to get you there. We'll try to get you there. Okay.
So wait, I have a question. So they was gonna continue keeping me here because last time I came here and I never seen. a
No,
judge.
like I said, my experience is when someone gets sent to state jail or prison, they release the hold. That's my experience.
Our fugitive case isn't actually keeping him here. It's just we are waiting on state jail to come in again.
But look, we're gonna try to reach into it for you, and then I'll bring you out a little bit and tell you what we find. Okay? For sure.
So yeah, I was just gonna do my stuff. Yeah.
I need someone from the state for a plea.
Just move over just a little bit.
Mr. Ratcliffe,
How you doing?
Ratcliffe, you're charged with criminal trespass. You're facing up to 6 months in jail. Actually, it's a year. It's an A, right? You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 30 days in jail, credit for the 6 days that you've done. You need to understand this charge will go on your record. From now on, you'll be facing a minimum of 90 days in jail for any new cases that you pick up.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
You also, it looks like you still have the case upstairs. Is that one going away or?
He wants to try to bond out the fight. If he's gonna go away, I sit in here. You know what I'm saying? If they're gonna give me time served or whatnot, I sit in here and, yeah.
Best thing that you can do, Mr. Ratcliffe, is you got to show up. When
I'm
you
gonna show up
to
yes, sir.
court,
I got
it's
you.
happening,
Yes, sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
I'm not in control over that case, but you got to show up. When you
Yes, sir. The only
do,
reason I ain't come to court this time because I ain't had no way. I ain't had no way to get to it.
where there's a will, there's a way, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Ratcliffe.
Yes, sir.
No,
I got you. Yes, sir. I got you.
come. I mean, we all work to make sure that everybody gets the best result.
Yes, sir.
No?
Yes, sir.
Now here, they've offered you 30 days in jail, give you credit for the 6 days that you've done. But like I said, you're not getting get out because you still got the case upstairs. But you
Yeah.
got to understand, next time you pick up a new case, come back.
Yeah, 90. I got you.
You give up a lot of rights by entering this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront, cross-examine the accusers. If you're not a citizen, your possible immigration consequences, you can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, it will go on your record. You can never take it off.
Yes, sir.
This is what you want to do.
Sir.
How do you plead to the offense, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
Yes.
I will find you guilty. The only other thing I'm going to tell you is that if you go back to this place, they're going to arrest you right again. So
Yes,
I
sir.
wouldn't go back to
You
this
gotta
place.
worry about me going back. I got you.
All right, so
I got you.
Mr. Ratcliffe, this way.
Appreciate it.